Hi everyone, welcome back to the Crypto Mario channel where we talk about the latest in crypto trading and the blockchain to keep you ahead of the game. Today we're checking out a platform that makes crypto trading not just easy but enjoyable. SimpleSwap. If you ever felt overwhelmed by complicated dashboards or account verifications, this one's for you. So before we jump in, a quick disclaimer: I'm not a functional advisor. This video is just for learning and sharing information. So always do your own research. And of course, if you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for many updates. Also, leave a comment below with all your thoughts, and let's get the conversation going. Now let's start with the first thing you see, the SimpleSwap website. It's a super clean and welcoming, no descriptions, no endless menus, just a simple interface asking you what you want to swap. So at the top you will find sections like how it works, the crypto exchange, analytics, businesses, and Chagland. The stages are free from sign-up limits and complications. Whether you're sending Bitcoin or buying Ethereum, SimpleSwap supports top payments methods like Visa, MasterCard, and even Apple Pay. And you can enter the amount you want to exchange, pick the coin, and that is all. You will even see an estimated cashback in USDT right there before you click exchange. And speaking of cashback, they have got a loyalty program that rewards you with up to 0.4% back in USDT every time you swap. That's passive earning on top of your trading. And whether it's crypto to crypto or fiat to crypto, the list of supported pairs is massive. BTC, Ethereum, and Solana, and BNB, and so many more. Areas, and they support over 1,500 cryptocurrencies. Yes, no joke. It's also completely no cost at all. That means your funds never sit on their servers. Crypto goes directly to your wallets. It's your keys, your coins. And also, SimpleSwap isn't just some random platform. Big names like Crypto Potato, CoinMarketCap, Crypto News, and money managers have featured them for being safe, fast, and user-friendly. So, let's next up the FAQ, the frequently questions page. So here is we can find about SimpleSwap. What is the SimpleSwap? So it's a user-friendly and durable instant service for cryptocurrencies and fiat crypto exchange. It is easy to use and free from the sign-up platforms that offers exchanges for more than 1,000 currencies. Yes, and is available as a desktop website and also as a mobile app for iOS and Android. And there are two exchanges type on our platforms, floating, and there are two exchange types on their platforms, floating and fixed rate. Yes, you can always choose the most suitable options. Moreover, SimpleSwap offers customers and partners an affiliate program and SimpleSwap coin that works as a loyalty program. Questions like how does SimpleSwap work? The SimpleSwap trading system is integrated into the largest cryptocurrencies, and there's no deposit storage, only instant coin exchange on their servers. And yes, there is many answers to these questions like why should I trust SimpleSwap? Like this, I don't speak English. Can I make exchange on SimpleSwap? Yes, their service is available in 10 languages on their websites and the 6th language on the mobile app. So you can always choose the most suitable option and change the language. Here's more info into cryptocurrency transactions, crypto to crypto exchange, fiat to crypto exchange, mobile app. So SimpleSwap put together answers the most common questions users have all in a clear, expandable format. Whether it's how long a swap takes, what coins are supported, or how the cashback system works. It's all covered. So if you are new to the crypto or just want clarity before your first exchange, this is a solid place to get peace of mind. So now if you're wondering what the full process looks like from start to finish, SimpleSwap breaks it down 4 easy steps. Yes, first, step 1, choose the pair. Let's say you want to exchange BTC for Ethereum. You just pick your pair and from the drop down menu. Step 2, enter the recipient address. Now you need to enter the recipient Ethereum address. Be extremely careful and double check your Ethereum address. Your Ethereum coins will be sent to this address right after exchange. Should we send and receive cryptocurrencies? And the step 4, receive your new crypto. And you can even watch a video tutorial if you want to see the full process in action. And now we're gonna move to a cool extra feature that I like it, the analytics chat. It's not just a swap platform. SimpleSwap also give you crypto insights, projects breakdown, ready to use, portfolios, technical analysis, and more. It's like a built-in research hub with a real value, perfect if you want to make smarter trade without bouncing between 10 tabs. And there is the real kicker, they're running a trading contest right now. It's live until August 7 with a total prize pool of over 7,000 in USDT. Here's how to join. Make a swap of $50 or more. You will get ranked on the leaderboard, of course. So the top 10 users by volume can win up to $1,700 plus 20 random winners will each get $50 just for participation. So whether you're already swapping or just getting started, now the perfect time to jump in and maybe something along the way. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives like this. And let me know in the comments, have you used SimpleSwap before? What was your experiences like? So thanks you for watching, and as always, stay safe and stay curious. Catch you in the next one.